we'll be making this blended text effect that you see here. So start off by writing some text with the font you want to use. And I'm just going to duplicate this a couple times. There we go. We got the third one. And now I'm coloring the top one this pink, the bottom one this hot orange. And I only have to select the colored ones right now and do type create outlines. Then we go to object blend and then object blend options, change this to specified steps, and you could just experiment with this. For this example, I think I did 4. And now let's make this top layer an off-white color and put this on top. Oh, it's behind here, so we need to drag the layer on top. Now I'm going to position this perfectly on top of there, and now you want to grab the bottom layer, which in this case it's the orange one, only that one, and you could literally put this wherever you want. So make the effect however you want it, whatever looks good, and experiment with other colors and fonts and text. There you go. Follow me in the next one.